ESFJ strengths, talents, and skills. How ESFJ excel. Each individual has their own set of strengths and talents, which are unique to them. These can be obvious or hidden skills, but everyone possesses them, even if they aren't fully aware of them. When it comes to personality types, there are often specific strengths and skills which are natural to each type. These abilities are important to recognize since it helps us gain inner confidence and hold on to these strengths and skills, which will help each person excel and find the place that fits them most. Knowing these innate talents helps us learn how to grow and find the most ideal positions in life. ESFJs certainly have their own set of natural strengths, things that are inside of them and can be nurtured so that they can grow even more. They have plenty of skills and abilities. Sometimes they are aware of them, and other times they are not. ESFJs can be hard on themselves, and so sometimes they can go without really noticing what they are capable of or the places in which they naturally excel above others. They are empathetic. ESFJs have a natural sense of empathy and compassion towards others, and this is something that can help them understand people easily. ESFJs get a strong sense of the emotions of others and instinctively know what they need or desire. This is something that they have naturally, and it can even be overwhelming for them at times. Even if the ESFJ wants to disconnect from these emotions, they are very in tune with what people around them feel, which can sometimes be a challenge. This is why they might not always revere this ability as a strength or something to be seen as positive. In truth, their sense of empathy makes the ESFJ capable of caring for those around them and tending to their essential needs. ESFJs often excel in caretaker positions because they instinctively know how to make others feel comforted by their presence. They get a sense of what people need and know when they feel uneasy or in pain. When the ESFJ has to focus on the needs of others and tend to these needs, these are the situations and careers where they will certainly excel and feel like their skills are really being utilized the most. They feel more comfortable in these jobs since they can do some good and make a difference for those around them. When the ESFJ knows they are helping people, it brings them a sense of inner purpose and really does help them excel. They don't give up on their goals. When the ESFJ sets their mind to something, they don't believe in backing down or giving up. They are surprisingly determined people who will do whatever it takes to achieve their goals. They might not always be direct with certain things, but that is because they have not chosen those topics that are truly valuable to them. When the ESFJ does set a goal and decide they want to go after something, there is nothing that will really stand in their way. They have a sense of inner strength and determination, which helps them chase after these desires and find practical and useful means of making them happen. They are especially strong-willed when trying to accomplish something for the ones they love. They aren't afraid of taking on challenges. They simply work harder to get the job done. ESFJs have a strong work ethic because of this and are capable of excelling in pretty much any career. This helps them find means of moving forward even if they don't necessarily enjoy their job. ESFJs don't want to let anyone down, so they push themselves and take a strong sense of pride in their work no matter what. This pride helps them to excel in their job and search for the answers and means of getting things done. Surprisingly adaptable. ESFJs are actually very adaptable people and will find a way to fit into new situations even if they are uneasy at first. They might not enjoy change and don't necessarily want to be tossed into something without time to prepare, but that doesn't mean they don't have the skills to help them succeed. ESFJs have a natural ability to adapt to situations because of their inner determination. When something new is tossed their way, the ESFJ will do whatever they need to succeed. Their perfectionist tendencies can actually be seen as a good thing when it comes to wanting to improve and be the best at what they do. They don't want to allow anything to prevent them from caring for their loved ones or being someone they can turn to. ESFJs really care about being reliable since they know that people depend on them, and they do what they can to be their support. Can connect with people easily. ESFJs have a natural ability to connect with people of all different types and places in life. They can sense what they need or expect and know how to adapt to this. This ability is something that helps the ESFJ excel in just about any circumstance or position they are placed in. They know how to give people what they want, and this makes them naturally likable to most people. When the ESFJ works on adapting to the situation or the needs of others, they know how to connect with just about anyone. They can blend into a situation like a chameleon, knowing how to give people what they need and want without them having to ask for it.